Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Visa contactless payments safely. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Contactless payments lets you tap your card or phone to pay quickly without inserting or swiping. They are convenient, but it's important to use them safely. So the first thing that you need to do is simply open up your Apple Wallet and make sure your Visa contactless card is ready, and look for the wave symbol as well, or a mobile wallet like Apple Pay and merchant terminals that supports contactless payments as well. Now to make contactless payments, look for the contactless symbol at the checkout and then simply tap your Visa card, phone or wherever the reader and wait for the confirmation beep, light or check mark. Transactions under a certain amount usually don't require a PIN, but if the transactions are large, you may require a PIN as well. In order to keep your card or device safe, store your card in a secure wallet, enable phone security from PIN, fingerprint or face recognition, and don't let strangers handle your card. You can also enable alerts in your Visa app or bank app by turning on the purchase notification, transaction alerts, which lets you monitor for unauthorized use immediately. And avoid public risks. Don't tap your card near suspicious devices like RFID scanners in public, and use wallet sleeves if worried or about electronic pickpocketing. Only use secure merchants you trust and monitor transactions regularly by checking your account daily or weekly. Verify each contactless payments matches your purchases and report any unauthorized charges immediately. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.